And if you really desire to own the power in your voice, then start with being in that channel of love rather than being in that channel of fear. And by the way, the human brain finds it very difficult to feel fear and love at the same time. And so when you powerfully switch to that place of love in your brain, where you're selecting your thoughts very carefully, where you're very boundaried about what thoughts are allowed to cross the line into your space of your brain and your thoughts, where you just say, no, I'm not available to think like that. I am not available to be afraid of what you would say about me or your judgments about me. I don't even care if no one shows up to this live stream. I'm going to say it. I don't care if nobody watches this YouTube video. I don't care if they laugh at me, if I stutter, if I stumble, if I freeze. I don't care. Because I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this because I have my own back. I'm doing this because I have something to offer, something to say, something important.